Well, so I just came back from a 12-day road trip with my Africa twin all over Italy, part of France, and this is what I took with me. That's the left pannier with the Honda bags, super handy and small inflatable mattress. The top case with some stuff, the inside I will go over it later. And the other pannier with its bag, and of course, all the all the gear, the pants, jacket, helmet, and the boots, and also that tank bag that I took with me. Let's see what's inside everything. So this is what was on the left pannier, the big one. That's the small Honda bag with the motorcycle stuff. In it, there's a tire puncture repair spray that luckily I didn't have to use. There's chain oil. I rode for about 5,000 kilometers, so I had to use it a couple times. There's some cleaning rags, the toolbox that came with the motorcycle, and this is a inflatable mattress that wasn't inside, but also on the pannier. On this bag, I had like basic daily stuff. I took a towel, pants, some cloth for sleeping, my underwear, and I think it has like 4 or 5 t-shirts. Also toiletries, the, the bag for the toiletries, and a small notebook with pens in case I want to write something. I didn't in the end. And also there's some stuff for coffee. This is a grinder that for that I bought for manual grinder. This is a mug that is also a coffee maker, like a French press, and some coffee. So on the other pannier, the right one, smaller one, I took some warm clothes, just in case. Some more warm clothes, bathing suit, jeans, and some of the pants, a shirt, just in case. Some sneakers to walk around, and slippers. When you stay in hostels, you need slippers, and also a book, in case I had some spare time, sometimes to kill, to read a little bit. In the top box, I carried sleeping bag, just in case. Motorbike documents, of course. Small first aid kit. The neck warmer. That's some kind of belt that helps you keep your back straight when on the motorcycle. This is a jacket, also a raincoat, a small backpack for like to take during the day if I go visit somewhere. The inner layers for the motorcycle gear, and the rain cover for the tank bag. And finally, in the tank bag, I took the GPS, which was really helpful throughout the trip. Some extra photocopies of the documents, an external battery, lifesaver when you're out and you need to check your GPS constantly. And that's an intercom that I bought off eBay, and it was really useful to keep me distracted listening to music while riding. And last but most important, of course, the motorcycle gear. There's the jacket, boots, and pants. These are Alpinestars touring gear, and let me tell you, it's not really waterproof. I had to ride under heavy storm and I got all soaked. But what can you do? There's also the helmet, that's an Scorpion ADX1, and two pairs of gloves, of course, passport, wallet, and really important spare set of keys for motorcycle. And of course, I made the beginner's mistake of packing way too much. So I packed way too many clothes, especially warm clothes that I shouldn't have taken with me, and I ended up sleeping basically in hostels, hotels, and bed and breakfast. So I didn't need that, and also took too many shirts. So I shouldn't have taken all of this. That would have left me with a lot of spare space in the top box, so I could leave my helmet when I go out for a walk.